We got Mr. Bob here in the house. The Eagle has landed.
We got Mr. Scott Robbie in the house.
Oh, Scott Robbie's here too. Woo! Wellport in the house. Where's Blue Demon at?
Right here.
Houdini.
Oh, we got Blue Demon at.
Right behind you.
Houdini,
We
go
got
down.
Blue Demon here.
Yeah,
All right, gentlemen, we got all the competitors here. Welcome to South Coast Welding Academy, our Texas High School Welding Competition. Starts today, guys. You guys are competing for a chance at a scholarship, prizes, everybody else in attendance. I want to thank everybody. We are going to do some raffles, so it's going to be a good time. Give it your best, guys. You guys are already on the right track because you're starting young. That's what you want to do. You guys started in high school. I wish I would have started in high school. So you guys are one step ahead of the game.
We're going to start off on T-joints on 2F position, 60-10 root, 70-18 stringers fill and cap. Once y'all do the 2F, we're going to go to 3G open root for the next one. And 3G open root, uphill, 60-10 root, 70-18 fill and cap, everything is uphill. Y'all ready?
Let's do this.
Let's have fun,
let
brother.
the fun start.
Let's have fun.
We got Coke 45 cookers in the house. Let's give them a hand for the great job they did. You guys have not lived. You have tried my man Leo's barbecue.
I come down to an event like this, and number one, I'm honored to be here, to be supporting such an event, and so I got to thinking, what could I do individually to support this and keep this thing going? So I kind of thought of like a pay it forward type affair, and so I am going to, under my name myself, my Ram Nation 58 on Instagram, Robert Allen Moffett, I'm going to start a tool scholarship for $500 here at South Coast. And in doing so, I have already had 2 other offers. One of them officially from Weld.com, another one from a corporation in Florida, Astaris. They're each going to do a $500 tool scholarship for people to follow up. And so I'd kind of like to keep this going. It's like a pay it forward type thing.
Yeah, all that.
Criteria
Yeah, here's all that.
for correct.
Put it out with a machine together. You got anything on the top?
Well, I mean, for criteria,
Yeah, here's all that.
for criteria, you get a little half-inch, half-inch, get rid of trailers.
I like it.
But he still would have.
Yeah.
He would have been a strong competitor if he didn't do that.
That's so well.
That time you guys are waiting for. The raffle and the announcement of the winners. First of all, I want to thank all the competitors for coming in and competing. I heard it from Mr. Hamar, from Mr. Bob, from Mr. Scott Robbie, that there's some hands out here. A lot of good
You guys
hands.
didn't make it easy for us at all.
You guys made it hard, so that speaks volumes of you guys. Also want to thank the parents, our visitors, everybody that came out and supported. You know, because that's what these kids need. Their parents to encourage them to do something. And welding is a lovely trade. I always say that's my saying. Welding is a lovely trade full of opportunities. So you guys are headed in the right direction.
You didn't make it easy. There was some good stuff, and it's encouraging for us to look at stuff like this. I mean, this is what we're trying to do, is encourage you to get into these competitions. Some of you ran your 70-18 on your 2F slicked. I mean, slicked. So that was fun. So in third place, the Black Outlaw hood and weld-torn shirt, Mr. Miguel Gonzalez.
Miguel Gonzalez. There you go, there you go.
Nice job, man.
Hey,
All right, we got second place, Texas Combo, hood plus arm pad, courtesy of Outlaw Leather, and well-torn pair of gloves. That would be Javier Armenta.
so this is it right here, and I'm gonna announce the number one person here. Like I said, when me, Bob, Scott were out there, we're judging it. It's a lot of good welds. Very, very good, consistent welds. But this one was just outstanding. So, first place is a full scholarship to South Coast Welding Academy, plus South Coast Welding Academy toolkit, a weld point shirt and gloves, and a blue Dini dog courtesy of Blue Demon. All right? This is for all the gold, man. All right, so number one, the one that got first place is, drum roll. No drum roll? Hey, drum roll! Alvaro Torres.
Congratulations, sir.
Congratulations. And congratulations to everybody too, man. Y'all did a hell of a job as well.
Guys, this is gonna be a yearly event from now on. So you guys that are juniors can come again if you enjoyed it and participate next year. For you seniors that are graduating, like I said during lunchtime, we do have financial aid. So if you're seriously thinking about a career in welding, you can still join my man here next to him in a welding booth and still get your training and become welders.
There you go.
Combo welders at that.
There you go. Yes, sir.
Make it back real quick anyway.
Yeah.
Any words, my man?
I know this must have been tough. I know some of these and some of my friends. I was nervous about him because I saw him come up here. I was like, oh, God.